A record label on blockchain? Yep, musicians on NEAR have created collectives that vote, produce music, and ensure creatives get their fair share without a middleman in sight. In this video, we'll show you how. First, it's important to understand what a record label does so we can see why Web3 does it better. A key role for a label is the distribution and management of royalties. In the Web2 world, a company will collect those fees and distribute them to artists after they've taken a cut. In the Web2 world, artists wait weeks or even months to get their cut from their work. But in Web3, there are no middlemen. DAO Records, a record label built and operated on NEAR, uses NFTs and smart contracts. That means whenever an artist releases a song or performs, they can set up instructions for how royalties should get paid. If a record is streamed, sold, sampled, or remixed, for example, the smart contract can direct funds back to the artist automatically. On NEAR, royalties can be split and distributed to up to 40 people immediately, costing a fraction of a cent to do so. Something not even other blockchains can do. The second key label function is contracts. Artists join record labels, but often have little input and control over the terms of the agreements. Not so in Web3. Artists have already begun using services on NEAR, like the Legal Guild, a community service staffed by trained lawyers, to build contracts that allow creatives to maintain the IP of their work or even allow them to set up their own music platforms independently. For independent artists self-releasing, seeking out this legal advice is a crucial step in protecting their creative works and getting paid. This model has given artists the freedom to decide their own path, helping them focus on what matters most, making great music. The third core function of a record label is to arrange and promote artists at live events. But in Web3, artists are promoting themselves. The metaverse is quickly becoming a go-to place for events and live gigs. DAO Records hosts live events every week, and artists get to vote and choose where in the metaverse they should perform, and more importantly, how the record label spends its money. So there you have it. A record label in Web3 allows musicians to record, perform, and connect with fans in a way that suits them. A record label on NEAR allows that to happen simply, quickly, and securely. Try it for yourself.